Find success in gold with these gems of tips. Gold has universal value and is a huge treasured commodity since it was initially discovered thousands of years ago. Gold is adored by many, although not everyone understands how to buy it. If you want to start buying gold, then carry on further into this post to discover some helpful hints. Whenever you sell gold, you should obtain a form of estimated value from multiple sources. Different gold purchasing entities are available, and so they all require different profits from your purchases. Once you seek a couple of estimate, a good price will likely be more attainable. If you purchase gold, you can't get it wrong with bullion bars. Bullion bars come in a range of weight. The weights range from 5 ounces to 400 ounces bars. In case the 400-ounce bars appeal to your interest, you're going to have trouble finding them. Research any gold buyer you are looking for using and look around to get a reputable buyer. Check online reviews, bbb.org in addition to their websites. Receive the best offer to the gold you will need to sell by approaching multiple buyers. Try selling gold online. Gold dealing is not really something which takes a conventional store. It is easy to employ a website to sell gold items. The website will be sending special kits your location to come back your gold items. As soon as your merchandise is verified, you will get a proper payment. There are numerous sites where you may purchase gold, like Gold Money. It's just like a bank account for gold. You can open a free account, fund it, after which determine what price you would like to pay for gold allocation. The gold is at a vault being protected. However, you can sell it or also have a bullion bar shipped for your needs. Make sure you know precisely what you have. Not all that looks just as if it's real gold is really as valuable as the genuine article. Lots of times, metals are put together with gold to create the piece stronger. This will have the price a great deal lower. Here is the case with gold-plated items. If you're unsure about the price of your items, you ought to have them appraised prior to deciding to try to sell. Don't sell your items to the initial buyer you come across. Always have a few quotes. The provides you with get might surprise you. Going to different places will allow you to weigh your alternatives and opt for the best offer. It will also assist you to negotiate if needed. Take a bit of more time up front, allowing you to have one of the most cash possible in the bank. Talk to professionals to find out different strategies to obtain the correct importance of gold. The item is stamped lots of times. Sometimes, however, there is absolutely no visual sign. A lot of representatives have other methods of figuring it all out. Acid tests are methods to do this, so if the rep does this, they're probably a newcomer to this business. Before selling your gold, speak to your local Better Business Bureau. They already have rudimentary details about listed businesses, and also reviews from clients who definitely have traded along with them. Heed any complaints to see if the business resolved them or otherwise. Stay away from any company that has a lot of complaints or unresolved complaints. Mailing away your gold into a buyer is definitely an option. It's an easy and quick approach to sell your gold. A prepaid envelope goes to you. You place your jewelry inside and send it returning to the organization. However, remember that these companies often don't pay the maximum amount for the gold as other areas. In some cases you might get 30% less for a piece, so understand that. Determine what your goals are prior to deciding to invest cash in gold. Although gold can add a nice balance for your portfolio in the case of rough economic times, it can be still considered a good investment that fluctuates wildly. By setting goals and limiting your involvement, you could make smart choices for profit. If you're intending to offer your gold online, check the going price of gold first. Local dealers often offer better pricing. It is certainly easier than working with a mail-only company, but these outlets will not typically pay also. Really know what you're buying. There are several gold-plated coins on the market. Protect yourself by getting appraisals from the certified individual ahead of getting a piece. Gold is actually a perennial favorite inside the trading market. Irrespective of the condition of your market, you could always come up with a profit with gold. This is just what makes gold deciding on a numerous investors. If you're selling multiple gold items, make certain they are separated by karat value. This maximizes your payout. This really is pertinent because two components of varying carats but identical weights will have very different values. Gold jewelry should invariably be separated as outlined by karat content before it's weighed and priced. Larger numbers, like 18, tend to be more valuable than smaller numbers. If you mix the pieces together when weighing, you won't receive the value of the larger carats. Separate these materials before selling. Determine the price of gold prior to try and sell it. Many buyers are very well aware that you expect to produce quick cash through your selling efforts. Sometimes they think they are able to utilize this with their advantage. An effective website to find the most accurate gold cost is www.goldprice.org. Also have some kind of identification together with you when you are selling gold. Criminals, naturally, have a desire for gold. As a way to catch these thieves in their tracks, government entities has established a law to make anyone selling gold present ID. Doing this, stolen gold is available more easily. It really is obvious that gold is not merely a prized possession, but also a priceless commodity that could be traded. It's a great idea to work with gold because after time it's an issue that won't decrease in price. Furnished with your brand new expertise in gold investing, you need to be ready to get started with gold without delay.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.